pandas rolling down the hill. One little panda rolling down the hill, rolling and tumble with a giggle and a thrill. He stopped at the bottom and said with a cheer, "Come on friends, let's roll back up here." Bigger and louder, roll, roll up the hill now. 5 happy pandas take a bow wow. Giggle, wiggle, best friends found. We love rolling up and down. Last fun line, everyone together. 5 little pandas round and round. Best rolling day that ever was found. Actions: roll your arms, bump hips with friends, giggle on every thrill, and jump up high on the final chorus.